Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Designing Autonomous Agents. The Future of AI Action. Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer questions, but does things in the real world or in a digital one, all by itself. To achieve a goal, that's an autonomous agent. Think of it like a smart assistant that doesn't wait for your command but proactively helps you. Like a personal robot butler. Digital or physical. As developers, we're moving from building apps that react to users to building AI systems that act for users. This is the next frontier of AI. What makes an agent truly autonomous? It's not just following instructions. It's about having its own goals, understanding its environment, making decisions to achieve those goals, and then acting on those decisions. It's like a smart thermostat that doesn't just turn on, off, but learns your preferences, considers the weather forecast, and decides the best time to adjust the temperature, all by itself, without you constantly telling it what to do. From a developer's perspective, an autonomous agent is built from several key pieces, much like Lego bricks forming a complex structure. 1. Perception. Sensors. How the agent sees or hears its world. For a developer, this means reading data from APIs, databases, user input, or actual sensors, like a camera for a self-driving car, or text input for a chatbot. 2. Reasoning. Brain. The logic and intelligence that processes perceived data and decides what to do. This is where you'd write code to define rules, make calculations, or use algorithms to figure out the best next step. 3. Action. Actuators. How the agent does things. For a developer, this means sending commands, calling another API, updating a database, moving a robot arm, or generating a text response. Autonomous agents operate in a continuous loop, like a never-ending cycle of learning and doing. It's often described as the sense-think-act loop. 1. Sense. Gather information from the environment, using its perception components. 2. Think. Process that information, decide on the best course of action to achieve its goals, using its reasoning components. 3. Act. Execute that decision, making changes in the environment, using its action components. 4. Repeat. Observe the new state of the environment after its action and start the cycle again. This constant feedback loop allows agents to adapt and improve over time. As a developer, you're the architect of this intelligence. Here's how you'd start. Define goals. Clearly state what your agent should achieve. E.g., book me the cheapest flight within my budget, keep the room at 72 degrees Fahrenheit, answer customer support. Queries. Map the environment. Identify what data your agent can access and what actions it can take. What APIs will it call? What database will it read from or write to? What controls does it have? Implement logic. Write the code, using languages like Python or JavaScript, that dictates how it interprets data and makes decisions. You'll be setting up rules, conditions, and calling specific functions for actions. It's like writing a detailed instruction manual for your smart assistant, telling it, if X happens, then do Y. Autonomous agents are already all around us, often without us realizing it. Self-driving cars. Perceive the road, reason about traffic rules, and act by steering, accelerating, and braking. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Understand your requests, decide on a response or action, and act by providing information or connecting you to services. Smart home systems. Sense temperature, presence, or time of day. Reason about comfort and energy efficiency. and act by adjusting lights, heating, or cooling. Game ice. Asterisk perceive player actions, reason about strategy, and act by moving characters, attacking, or building structures. This field is exploding, and developers are at the forefront. You'll be building the brains and bodies of these smart systems, creating new ways for AI to interact with our world. It's about empowering AI to be more proactive, helpful, and seamlessly integrated into our lives, automating complex tasks and solving real-world problems as we design these agents. We also take on the responsibility of ensuring they are ethical, fair, safe, and transparent in their actions. Your code will shape the future. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.